Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the human body, the brain. The brain is often described as the control center of the body, as it manages almost everything we do, from breathing and walking to thinking and remembering. First, let's look at the basic structure. The brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the most significant part. It's responsible for higher functions like problem solving, memory, and emotions. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, controls balance and movement. And finally, the brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and manages basic life functions, such as heartbeat and breathing. Now, another important point is how the brain communicates. The brain uses billions of nerve cells, called neurons, to send electrical signals. These signals travel incredibly fast, sometimes up to 250 miles per hour. This speed is what allows you, for example, to touch a hot stove and instantly move your hand away. Without this quick communication system, survival would be tough. Finally, let's discuss an interesting fact about brain energy. Although the brain accounts for only about 2% of a person's body weight, it consumes approximately 20% of the body's total energy. That's because it's always working, even when you're asleep. During sleep, the brain organizes memories, processes emotions, and prepares you for the next day. So, to sum up, the brain is the control center of the human body. It has three main parts, communicates through neurons, and requires a great deal of energy to function. Understanding how the brain works helps us better understand human behavior, learning, and even health. Listening comprehension questions. What is the main purpose of the lecture? A. To compare the human brain with animal brains. B. To explain the structure and functions of the human brain. C. To describe how the spinal cord works. D. To discuss diseases of the brain. Which part of the brain controls balance and movement? A. Cerebrum. B. Brainstem. C. Cerebellum. D. Neurons. What example does the professor use to show fast communication in the brain? A. Running a marathon. B. Reading a book. C. Touching a hot stove. D. Breathing during sleep. Why does the brain use so much energy? A. Because it is the heaviest organ in the body. B. Because it is always working, even during sleep. C. Because it controls only physical movement. Thus, D. Because it is made up of 206 bones. According to the lecture, what happens during sleep? A. The brain stops working. B. The brain organizes memories and prepares for the next day. C. The brain uses less oxygen. The brain grows new bones. Do not forget